Major General Herbert Chingono, a decorated officer in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, has died. His family confirmed on Sunday, adding his name to a growing list of senior military figures who have died since Zimbabwe's democratic military intervention that removed from former President Gabriel Mugabe in 2017 Zimbabwean coup d'etat. Sabina mashoko kudai kwapangwa ine against another army general in mysterious death. The circumstances surrounding Chingono's death were not immediately made public. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. In an emotional tribute, family members described him as one of the most educated, professional, and decent men ever to wear the nation's uniform, whose life was defined by humility, intellect, and quiet patriotism. In quotes, above all else, he was a deep thinker, a great principled patriot, an amazing encourager, and a reluctant hero, the family said. Never one to focus on the accolades. In many of his assignments, he quietly did the work and allowed others to take the glory for as long as progress was registered and the nation benefited. Brigadier General Chingono belonged to a generation of Zimbabweans who sacrificed their youth during the liberation struggle that ended white minority rule in 1980. After independence, many of these fighters were absorbed into the National Army. They rose through the ranks of the defense forces. Colleagues described Chingono as calm, thoughtful, and approachable, a professional officer who preferred mentorship and influence over public recognition. Chingono's death comes amid persistent public speculation following the death of several senior military commanders since the November 2017 military intervention, when the military led by then Commander Costa Nuchenga placed Mugabe under house arrest and paved the way for Emerson Mnangagwa to assume power. Several of these officials had been closely associated with the military establishment that backed Mnangagwa's rise to power, fueling speculation within political and military circles about shifting power dynamics within Zimbabwe's security sector. Despite holding senior rank, those who worked close with Major General Chingono say he remained deeply humble, rarely seeking the spotlight. Though my developments aripo muri Zimbabwe pamusoro pe-the-death ya Major General Chingono. Pinda comment section medu dzofungura imo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.